Welcome to my beauty room. Oh, this is my purse from yesterday. I was too lazy to put it away. Right here, we've got my bathroom. There's my shower. And there is my tub. There's a toilet behind there. I know you want to see what's in my shower. We've not organized this. This is how it actually is all the time. My favorites. All of that good. And then we've got this shelf. I love these plus size meditating women. I'm like, oh my God, this is everything. It's really cluttered because I'm a messy person. Then there's this clothing rack. It's really messy. Let's move on. Then from there, we've got this. So this stores all of my video equipment, all my lighting, anything I need to create a video. My two favorite purses, Alexander McQueen and this beautiful limited edition Gucci. Then I love my Byredo scents. I'm obsessed with them. This is where I put like my real jewelry. And then we pan over to this section. I just thought it looked cute there. Let's be real. Because here is where I do all my emails. I do my planning for my content. And when I'm on a Zoom call, that's my background, and it looks really good. That's why this is here. And right next to it, I've got this beautiful mirror by Glamcore. I love it so much. Here are the new stuff that I just got or bought. So that's cool. And from there, it's my skincare fridge. It's empty right now because I'm redoing it. And then I have this bin of stuff that my friends and family might love. Then here is my closet. It's really messy, but let me walk you through it. So those are all my colored bags, some headbands, my favorite perfumes, more handbags, and more handbags. They're my obsession. And then we get here. This needs another video. And another mirror. Okay, so this is my books, but this is how I decide what I'm going to feature this week. So this week, I'm trying all of this. And then for next week, I kind of pick, do I want to feature drugstore? Do I want to feature premium? Or do I want to feature luxury? And then from there, it's more of my favorite stuff. And this, my friends, is where the magic happens. This is where I film. This is where all my favorite products are. We need to go through this. And that's it. Do you want a part 2?